Hi, I am Cassie, the English teacher. Today, we are going to talk about numbers 1 through 10. First, let's do a conversation practice from the last lesson. What are you doing? I'm working. Are you studying? No, I'm driving. Where are you driving? Okay, here is our idiom of the week. Zero in on. Zero in on. It means to focus on something. Focus, so zero in on. For example, I need to zero in on my math homework. Zero in on. Okay, here is a review from the last lesson, number 29. You are driving becomes, are you driving? He is working. Is he working? They are talking. Are they talking? Okay, let's give that a practice. I will show a picture of a verb and you make a question in the present progressive tense. Is she sleeping? Are you eating? Is he going? Are you studying? Are they walking? Is she cooking? Are they working? Is he driving? Are they talking? Are you reading? Good. Okay, today we are going to learn numbers. So we are going to start out with 0. 0. Nothing. 0. 0. 1. 1 car. 1. 2. 2 hands. 2. 2. 3. 3. 3 pairs. 3. 4. 4. 4 coffees. 4. 5. 5. 5 hats. 5. 6. 6. 6. 6 eggs. 6. 7. 7. 7 dogs. 7. 8. 8. 8. 8 pencils. 8. 9. 9. 9. 9 windows. 9. 10. 10. 10. $10. 10. Okay, let's practice. Two hands. 2. Zero. 0. 4 coffees. 4. 8 pencils. 8. 3 pairs. 3. 1 car. 1. 5 hats. 5. 7 dogs. 7. 9 windows. 9. 10. 10. 6 eggs. 6. Good. Okay, let's practice telling someone your phone number. Your phone, oh, I have one here. Your phone number. Okay, what is your phone number? What is your phone number? My number is 598-371-0264. My number is 598-371-0264. Okay, what is your phone number? 254-823-5254. 9947. What is your phone number? 210, so 0 sometimes can be O or 0. 210 or 210. 210 or 210 758 3246. What is your phone number? 432 986 7754. Okay, let's do some conversation practice. What are you doing? I'm working. Are you studying? No, I'm driving. Where are you driving? Okay, this is dictation practice. Remember, I will say a sentence and you need to listen, write down what you hear, and then check. You can also type what you hear in the comments. Ready? Here. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? What's your phone number? What is your phone number? My number is 567-986-2314. My number is 567-986-2314. My number is 567-986-2314. My number is 697-485-3197. My number is 697-485-3197. My number is 697-485-3197. My number is 361-895-4697. My number is 361-895-4679. Sorry. My number is 361-895-4679. My number is 428-965-7412. My number is 428-965-7412. My number is 428-965-7412. My number is 512-963-7854. My number is 512-963-7854. My number is 512-963-7854. My number is 654 654-823-7914. My number is 654-823-7914. My number is 654-823-7914. My number is 379-785-6412. My number is 379-785-6412. My number is 379-785-6412. My number is 258-654-9317. My number is 258-654-9317. My number is 258-654-9317. That's our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I will see you next time. Bye.